Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. Have you ever found yourself having an extra $100 and you ask yourself, how can you turn this extra $100 into $200, into $1,000, maybe $10,000 or even $100,000 just like I have? Well, unfortunately, this is something that they don't teach you in school. And that's kind of messed up because the earlier you start, the easier it is with the method that I'm bringing you guys today. So because of the lack of knowledge, it becomes scary for beginner investors.
Scared money don't make no money.
But in this video, I'm going to simplify the process for you, bringing you 3 different ways to invest. And each way that you invest is the risk is going to go up. So with each risk, the higher the reward. So the beginner risk might have a lower return. And then the third way will be a much higher risk, but you could double, triple, quadruple your money overnight. So make sure that you guys stick throughout the entire video so you don't miss out on any crucial information. Subscribe to this channel because I'm going to bring you guys many more ways to make money. Welcome back, dreamers. Let me start off right now by saying if you only have $100 to invest and you don't have $100 to invest every month, the best thing that you could do with $100 is invest in yourself. Put yourself through any kind of program. You can sign up for many courses online, pick up and read a book, educate yourself. Any new information that you learn will be very beneficial for you down the road, even if you're learning a new skill or how to trade or how to invest. There's a couple courses out there that you can sign up with for $100. There's a couple books that you could read out there for $100. The best thing that you could do right now if you only have $100 is invest in yourself. But let's say you found yourself watching my other video on how I taught you guys how you can make extra money, major income from the comfort of your own home with these 10 side hustles that you could do from your home. And now you're making an extra $100 per month, an extra $1,200 per year just from your side hustles. And you're looking for ways to invest that extra $100 that you're now receiving every month from your side hustle. I know what you guys are saying, hey, he's gonna tell me to invest inside the stock market. Yes, that's right, guys. I'm gonna tell you to invest inside the stock market, but if you only have $100 to invest, you have to do it every single month, because if you only invest $100 and the stock market just goes completely insane, it goes up 100% over the entire year, now you turn your $100 into $200 over the entire year, and that's not really realistic. Let's say the stock market goes up 20%, now you make $20. That's nothing at all. But if you do invest $100 every single month into the stock market, you will become rich over time because of the world's 7th greatest wonder, compound interest. So with the compounding effect, it's like the snowball effect. You start off with a little snowball, you roll it down the hill, and by the time it hits the bottom of the hill, it is a massive big boulder. So that's the same thing that we're going to do with $100 over 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, over a couple of years. You're going to see that $100 every month grow into a big gigantic snowball. So the first thing that you have to do is just get started. You got to get your skin in the game just so that you can learn the ins and outs of the stock market, how to buy, how to sell, how to read charts. And yes, you might lose at first and you might win at first, and now that you have skin in the game, you will become a more seasoned investor over time. So even though you're going to make more money in the future, when you do get that more money, you want to know exactly how to navigate and move inside the stock market before you go in throwing in large lump sums of money with no clue of what you're doing at all. So once you have your skin in the game, you can start doing your research on some of your favorite companies, some of your favorite CEOs, do background research on them, and now the stock market becomes a lot more fun because now you're on the inside playing the game other than on the outside looking in. And I could tell you guys right now, once you start investing to these companies, the game completely changed because you are now a part owner of these companies and you start to actually move a lot differently. And the stock market becomes a lot more exciting once you get your feet wet in the game, once you get some skin in the game. So the best way to get started by investing $100 in the stock market is by opening a Webull account. Now, once you open up your Webull account, you can deposit any amount and receive free stocks. With my link down in the description, if you deposit any amount of money, that's right, if you just deposit 1 penny, you can receive up to 15 free stocks valued all the way up to around $15,000. That's right, you can deposit 1 penny if you want to, and you'll receive 15 free stocks valued all the way up to $15,000. With those free stocks, you could keep them in the platform and decide to use it, or you could sell those free stocks and withdraw all of your money, guys. It's literally free money. That link will be down in the description. Also, I have a link in the description to Moomoo. You can sign up with them, deposit $100, and you'll receive 15 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,000 with my special link down in the description to Moomoo. So if you only have $100, you can pick one of those, or you can pick both of those and receive those free stocks. Now that you have your brokerage accounts open, it's time to have fun. And now it's time to start doing research. You can watch any of my videos. You can watch any other videos that's online, any other videos that's on YouTube. There's a ton of free knowledge out there, free information. You can find out anything that you want on the internet for free. It's time for you to do your research and pick out some of your top companies. So now that you picked out your top companies, these are the 3 methods that I use, from safe, medium, and dangerous, that returned me over $100,000 since I started investing. Option number 1, which is the safest, is investing into a low cost index fund. One of the ones that you guys can invest into is ticker symbol SPY. SPY, it tracks the S&P 500. It's an ETF, exchange traded fund, and it has America's top 500 companies inside of its portfolio. So owning this one stock, you're investing into America's top 500 companies in America. So when the market goes up, you're diversified across all 500 companies. You don't have to worry about one company crashing. Let's just say Blockbuster crash. You don't have to worry about losing all of your money because you're diversified across America's top 500 companies. And historically speaking, the S&P 500 goes up around 6 to 8% historically over the last 30 years, guys. So you're going to get your returns. Continually invest into the S&P 500. Now, I know that sounds boring, so this is the way I do it to make investing more fun for me. So if you're looking at SPY right now, as you guys can see, it is well above $100 per share. But on Webull, you could buy fractional shares. You do not have to buy a full share. So if you only want to invest $25 into SPY, you can do that over on Webull and many other brokerage apps. Now, I know this is the boring way of investing. You want to make investing a little bit more fun. So this is what I do. I invest 70% into a low cost ETF like SPY. And then the other 20% I invest into my favorite stock. That's why I told you guys to do your research on just a second ago. So let's say I love Apple. So I'm going to invest the other $20, the other 20% into Apple. And then I'm going to take the other 10%, the other $10, and invest it into a very risky stock, a startup company, probably a penny stock or crypto, and invest it on the app Webull and Moomoo. So I would buy $70 worth of SPY, $20 worth of Apple, and $10 just to make the game fun is investing into any cryptocurrency or penny company or any startup company that's not mainstream yet, because that $10 can turn into 10, 20, 30x overnight if you pick a winner. And you guys all know how crazy cryptocurrency is. So that is how I make investing more fun, by investing into a safe index fund, my favorite company, so I could just have skin in the game and say, hey, I'm a shareholder of Apple. Apple, I own a part of Apple. So when I walk in that store, I look around and act like, yeah, y'all doing real good with my money. Y'all making me money by keeping this store upright and clean. And then the other 10% is into anything risky like cryptocurrency. Method number 2 would be investing for passive income in the form of dividends. Now, dividends is when you own a piece of a company and they pay back to their shareholders dividends every single month or quarter in a way of saying thank you for owning a piece of the company. Here's a little check back in the form of dividends. Do with it what you want. Now, many investors reinvest their dividends back into the company to help it grow so you can make more dividends in the future. But not all companies pay dividends, and the companies that usually pays the highest dividends is REITs, real estate investment trust companies. It's a company that deals with investing into real estate, and by law, REITs are required to pay back 90% of their taxable income back to their investors in the form of dividends. So every month I'm receiving passive income just from investing $100 into these companies. They're paying me out every single month back. They're sending a check straight to my account. It's going to hit it. Dividends, bam, now I have more money to spend every single month. And just like that snowball effect, if I keep reinvesting those dividends, I'm going to get paid out more in the future. This is by far the easiest way of passive income that I have to bring you guys and that I have inside of my portfolio. So here are 3 REITs, real estate investment trust, that pays out dividends, that have been paying out dividends for the last 25 years and have increased their dividend payments for the last 25 years, making them dividend aristocrats. The first one is ticker symbol O, Realty Income. Realty Income is a REIT that has tenants like Walgreens, Dollar General, and Dollar Tree. The second one is Exis Property Trust, ticker symbol ESS. Exis owns apartment building. Third REIT is FRT. They own shopping centers. Now each of these REITs have been paying out dividends for the last 25 years, so now you really don't have to worry about them cutting their dividends. My favorite one of these three is ticker symbol O, Realty Income. That is known in the investor world as the monthly dividend stock. So that's way number 2, which is a little bit more risky than option 1. So now I'm going to bring you guys option number 3, and that is option trading.
Oh boy, here we go again.
Now with option trading, a lot of investors out there are not good at trading, but if you are good at reading charts and if you've done the research and you know how to swing trade, if you've figured out how to option trade, even though 90% of the people that tries trading fail, if you are one of the lucky 10% that are disciplined enough to be good at option trading, that would be good at trading, you could easily turn $100 into $10,000 in no time, and turn that $10,000 into $100,000 in no time. With option trading, you're either buying calls or buying puts. If you buy a call, you're betting that a stock is going to go up and you're going to get paid a boat ton of money. If you buy put, you're betting that a stock is going to go down and you're going to make a boatload of money. Now, options are too confusing to explain in this video. If you want to learn more about options, you could check out this little link right there. You can click that and subscribe to this channel, because I'll be talking about options more in the future on this channel. So for beginner investors, if you want to learn option trading, you could lose $100 in a day. You could lose $100 overnight, but at least it's just only $100. And now that you have extra income, you'll have another $100 next year, because if you option trade, you are going to lose your first $100, no doubt about it, until you figure out a plan on how to be a successful trader. But that's it, guys. That's 3 different ways to invest $100 if you had $100, an extra $100 to invest inside the stock market. Remember, if you do have $100, you could use both of those links down in the description and get free stocks that way. That is the easiest way to sign up and get a kind of a head start. Even if you don't have $100, you can make a lot more by getting free stocks down in the description. So let me know down in the comment section which option was the best way that fits your investing style. Was it option 1, the very safe way, option 2, the medium way, or was it option 3, all of nothing? Please let me know down in the comment section. I can't wait to see you guys comment. Also, if you want to know anytime I buy and sell stocks, I'm going to leave a link down in the comment section to Patreon to take you to my Discord. Inside of the Discord, I post every single time I buy and sell the stocks. I post my option trades, my day trades, my swing trades, and we also have some professional day traders in there that post their option trades in there every single day. And you'll be a part of a community of investors and a community of traders that think just like you, that want to be financially free in the future. So if you want to be a part of a great community like that, please check out the link down in the comment section. But other than that, guys, hit that thumbs up button. That helps out this channel more you can even imagine. And also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And go ahead and check out my Instagram. Things are getting pretty wild over there with my game show. But other than that, guys, I'm Zeke, bring you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.